talking about Heath Ledger, which was popularly known as Joker. Alright, he didn't die of a street drug overdose, he didn't die of addiction, he died of bad combination. He followed his prescriptions, but he didn't realize his body was becoming a chemistry set where the elements don't mix. A chemistry set, a chemistry combination combining different drugs which are made up of elements that don't mix. When these drugs that don't mix, when they enter the body, they form tiny crystals in the blood. They form tiny crystals in the blood, and on the long run, along the line, it escalates to thromboembolism. Heath was tired, Joker was tired, he was filming the Imaginarium of Dr. Parnassus and had just finished The Dark Knight. He told reporters he was sleeping only 2 hours a night, his mind was racing and his body was fighting a respiratory infection, which is pneumonia. Okay, to fix this, he used what many of the artists we have today are using, what many of our popular artists have in their cabinets. Painkillers, combination of painkillers, anti-anxiety or sleep pills, and over-the-counter drugs. In the painkillers, we have oxycodone and hydrocodone. Then for anxiety and sleep, he was using diazepam and temazepam. Then over-the-counter drug which he used, according to forensic investigation, was doxylamine, which is an allergy and a sleep aid. In forensics, what do we call this? It is called acute combined intoxication. Acute combined intoxication. What is the mechanism of action of this dangerous combination? What is the mechanism of action? Think of your brain as a busy expressway in Lagos. Your breathing signals are the cars moving freely. The painkillers act like slow down signs on the road, the traffic signs on the road, the slow down signs on the road, and the benzodiazepine, which was the combination he used for anti-anxiety, for sleep, and for over-the-counter. These benzodiazepines act like the speed bumps. So if you have one painkiller, which is the slow down pill, the sign, traffic moves fine, okay? But if you have one speed bump, it's also okay. But the problem is Heath Joker took 6 different depressants. 6 different depressants. He essentially put a concrete wall across the expressway. In pharmacology, we use the term synergy. Synergy. This means the drugs didn't just add up, they multiplied each other. A situation whereby 1 plus 1 is no longer equals to 1 plus 1 equals 10, giving you 10, a synergy. Alright, the benzodiazepines made the opioids more powerful and more aggressive. The doxylamine made the sedation deeper, and his brain sent the signal to breath. The signal hit the concrete wall. The mixture created a concrete wall, and the signal couldn't fire, it stopped. Joker didn't die because he took too much of one thing. He died because he took too many of different things. The medical examiner's report was clear, crystal clear. The medical examiner said that it was total accidental overdose. There was no suicide note, there was no illegal substance. His lungs were already heavy from pneumonia, which meant he needed more effort to breathe. But the drugs gave him less ability to do so. It was a perfect storm of biological failure.
With our eyes.